Hello, and welcome to our presentation on how to get the best deal on the ITIL 4 Foundation exam. We know that ITIL certification prices are very expensive, so we have put together this video to explain the 3 things you can do to get the best price. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. PeopleCert prices exam vouchers geographically, and there are 3 regions in the world. Knowing what region you are in is your first step towards getting the best price. Click on the link in the transcript below to find out what region you are in. Number 2. The most expensive place to purchase your ITIL exams is from PeopleCert. PeopleCert charges full price. To get a discount, you need to go to a PeopleCert reseller. These are called accredited training organizations and accredited exam institutes. These organizations purchase ITIL exams at a discount, and many of them pass the discount on to students. Number 3. The Reddit ITIL certification group gives you great information and discounts on all ITIL exams. Right now, you get a free accredited GogoTraining e-learning course with your discounted exam purchase. Click on the transcript below to go straight to the Reddit group and claim your discount today. We hope you have found this helpful. If we can answer any questions for you, contact us at customerservice@gogotraining.com or call us at 877-546-4446.